In this video, I will be showing you how to create a bakery menu in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by typing bakery menu into the template search bar to see what options are available. There are thousands of designs to choose from, so I'll scroll through the results until I find a layout that matches my vision. I really like the clean look of this croissant menu template, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the project loads, I'll start by personalizing the branding. I'll click on the main title and change the text to Sweet and Treat Bakery. To give it a more modern feel, I'll go to the font menu and switch it from the default script to Bébasneuil. I'll also try out Anton for the secondary text to make it stand out. While I'm at it, I'll open the spacing tool to adjust the letter and line spacing, ensuring the header is perfectly balanced. Now, let's update the product images to match our specific offerings. I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for pastry graphics. I'll find a nice illustration of an apple pie and drag it directly over the first croissant image to replace it, resizing it to fit the frame. I'll repeat this process for the other items, selecting a stack of waffles, a slice of fruitcake, and a pair of donuts from the magic recommendations. Next, I want to refresh the color palette. I'll select the background elements and the text, then open the color picker. I'm going for a vibrant purple theme, so I'll apply that to the borders and headers to make the design pop. Finally, I'll update the menu text and pricing. I'll change the item names to apple pie, waffle, fruitcake, and donut, and then I'll quickly adjust the prices to reflect our current menu. After a few final tweaks, the menu looks professional and ready to go. And just like that, you have a beautiful custom bakery menu created in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.